hidden gems in Kansas City. This is one. And then there's one of my favorites right around the corner. Let's go. Just around the corner, there is an amazing, multi-layered, deep art installation that brings new life and the stories of old life to a once sketchy alley. It's just off of Baltimore Street between 10th and 11th in downtown Kansas City, Missouri. Every time I do more research on this installation, I am blown away by the new details that I learn. I'm really baffled by the fact that very few locals or visitors even know that it exists right in the heart of downtown. It's just steps away from the community bookshelf and the Kansas City Central Public Library. This is the Commons, otherwise known as Ghost Stories. Very spooky. In 2012, artists Julie Cole Leigh Rosser had the opportunity through Casey's Art in the Loop program to incorporate recycled materials like the glass here, lighting technologies, and even digital storytelling through the use of QR codes. For a while, I thought that all of the QR codes in this alley led you to the same site. Oh, how wrong was I! The reality is that each one will take you to a different audio clip that, when listened to in order from east to west in the alley, it'll give you a full ghost story that laments the extinction of the beautiful flocks of Carolina Parakeets that once called Kansas City home. Those little colorful plates up there, they represent the birds. When you view them walking east to west, you only see the birds as silvery ghost wings. But turn around to look back in time, to witness their bright colors before they went extinct. They're lit at night, and the colors are thrown back in a ghostly glow. It's really cool to see. If you want a bird's eye view of the whole installation, you can go next door to the parking garage and go to the second floor and look down upon it. The glass mosaic whirlpool in the river and the campfire on the banks aren't the only recycled materials used here. The layered rocks are made of number 2 recycled plastic, which is also known as high-density polyethylene, or HDPE. In the precious plastics recycling program at ScrapsKC, we've actually been successfully doing small batch recycling of HDPE. Next time you're in the store, ask for more information about our new program and all of the cool products that we're making with these recycled plastics. While you're here, make sure to take a moment and reflect on not just the cool recycled materials, but also the story of an extinction of a whole species that used to live here in the Kansas City area that we now consider to be a tropical species. What art will you create in response to this art piece? You can find a really cool download of a bird that you can cut out and have it perch on your finger in honor of the ghost stories that Julie and Lee created here in this alleyway.